Hey there, welcome to the fall haul. I just wanted to share a few items that kicked off my holiday shopping. Clearly starting with Halloween. I just picked up a little something to be festive for the occasion. I also bought 2 wigs, and I'll go ahead and say I love this one. In the iCards, you'll see I've already served y'all a video. And here's the second one. I'll be trying it on in just a moment. I bought this purse as a gift for my sister. It is so cute and classy, and I personally think it's a great quality for the price. And here you see I was struggling to remember what this was exactly. So, yeah. This wallet is so cute. I just wish it was more purple. I've been using it ever since. And that's all we have here.
To take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes wanna be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arm, won't feel it a smile. Still wanna try to believe in good day.
This is more of the Addams Family wig, because it's just so straight, like straight, like straight. This is like straight, but with body, you know? There were slight curls at the bottoms where there was a big old bump, or like curls throughout the hair, but this is straight up bone, straight, black. Okay, I gotta go.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes wanna be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arm, won't feel it a smile. Still wanna.
Oh, that Velcro crop caught my nape.
Still believe in good days.
Give me a minute to get it together. Look, you can see my whole cap right there. So I'm gonna just fix that. It looks like I'm gonna just have to cover it because It's not going, you know, you see it. You see it. Give me a second.
Inside, too busy in my mind. Help me on my fears, my level. Faces I disappear if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, way to deal, way to.
Make sure the cap is on your cranium all the way before you Velcro your headband together, because that was weird. Quite awkward for sure. I love this. I love this. I love the color. I love the fact that it's a headband wig and convenient. Of course, at the moment, I'm wearing it just like this, which is obviously a headband wig. But I am going to, if I don't move it, look at that. That's my hair. Like, the got to be glued didn't really, or the Gorilla Glue didn't keep it down. Anyways, so I'm gonna just, look at the band from my scarf where I tried to lay my baby hairs. It's all bad. But I'm gonna put a headband on. I don't know which one though, but whatever I do, that'll be the completed look. Because while I'm okay with a black band, it's very much so obviously, so I'm just going to wear a headband with it like you're supposed to. So this is from SZN. It is a headband wig. I will put the details right here. I'm in love. I'm in love. I want to get another headband wig real soon, but I'm satisfied with this one. I'm satisfied with this one for the fall. For the fall, yes. Love it. Love it. I'm going to wear the crap out of this. You can see the cap peeking through. That is not good. I will most likely not be wearing this wig to the fair because this bad boy will fall off. I'm not gonna do any extra security for it, so this gotta do what it does, you know, and I just don't think that it will. When rides vigorously move you to and fro and up and down and zigzag and upside down, so can't take it to the fair, but I will definitely be stunting in this bad boy. Definitely that. So yeah.